For replacement tent parts, please contact customer service with your previous order number. Start by sliding the dome pole out of the upper peak pole bracket and set aside. With a screwdriver, remove each of the large screws from the upper peak pole bracket. Set the screws aside in a safe area to use in a later step. Now, start removing the truss bars from the bracket's mounts until you can easily lift the bracket off the frame. With the new bracket, place it on one of the truss bars as shown. Rotate it 90 degrees down and insert the remaining truss bars into the bracket's truss mounts. Make sure the bracket screw holes are aligned with the truss bar screw holes. Grab the large screws from earlier and start inserting them into the aligned bracket holes. With your screwdriver, screw them tightly into place. This will secure your upper peak pole bracket to your frame. Lastly, reinsert your dome pole back into the middle hole of your bracket and into the lower peak pole.